Hello, we are Team RS. For our project, we have created a website called Software Training Repository.
The Software Training Repository was built to address the issue of the rapid evolution and ever-changing landscape of software technologies, frameworks, and tools used in the software development process. With the consistent introduction of new updates to existing tools on a daily basis, it is often difficult for a software engineer to keep up to date with the latest emerging technologies or changes in existing solutions. Whilst there are sources of information available on the web, as a student without the necessary experiences, it can often be difficult to determine the legitimacy and appropriateness of the claims of such sources. The Software Training Repository seeks to provide students and individuals with access to a centralized, reliable, and up-to-date source of information. The core of the system aims to be a community-driven hub, with students and staff being able to contribute their understanding and knowledge of various frameworks, technologies, and tools through articles and discussion forums. New articles are able to be published by students, with students also being able to modify existing articles by adding new or editing outdated information.
Now, I would like to address a real-world problem of this project. The first problem related to Canvas and LMS system, which are currently used by the University of Melbourne. In each semester, lecturers, tutors, and students create a lot of self-learning resources such as tutorial on React or Docker. Those resources are useful for next semester and must be used again in next semester. However, Canvas system or LMS are not supported to reuse some resources again. For the second problem is many subjects, students have to learn new technology or programming language which are not part of the subject lesson. They have to find a self-learning resource by themselves. However, students don't know exactly where good resources are, and students have to spend time to find useful tutorials by themselves. Now, let's move to results that we found from our research. Our research was focusing on design web features and web user interface. For solving a problem of our client, we found that we have to implement a web application where students and tutors can write some content and publish it to other students. We also found that we have to develop various key features including tagging system, subscribing system, searching system, and approving article system.
Our platform aimed to build an online encyclopedia of our subject-related resources, compared to the traditional platforms such as LMS, where learning resources are provided merely by teachers. Our platform allows students to upload resources themselves and encourage mutual assistance between peers. With this innovation of sharing mechanism, the platform can be very helpful. On the one hand, our platform can increase participation of our students, let them fully exercise their own creativity when uploading contents. On the other hand, students can gain extra knowledge from various resources on the platform. The uploaded resources can be advanced materials and teaching details not covered in the lecture, or personal understandings and notes. Therefore, we believe that the platform will serve as a great supplement to the regular teaching.
There are three major differences between our platform and Canvas. Firstly, our platform is open to any high-quality resources and the uploader doesn't have to be a teaching staff. Secondly, our platform won't erase data at the end of the semester. All resources are kept for future references. Thirdly, students can subscribe to different subjects without enrollment. In short, our platform is flexible and it's an online encyclopedia of subject-related resources instead of learning management system.
All articles must be reviewed before publishing on the platform. At the same time, other students can choose to edit an article if there are any errors or updates, and these edits must also be reviewed to get published.
Through our project, we hope to encourage the continued collaboration between future students and staff, and they will be able to benefit the future students of the University of Melbourne.